In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a quote to an invoice in Zoho Books. This is a really useful feature when you've already sent a quote or estimate to a customer. They've accepted it, and now you're ready to bill them without re-entering all the details. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly what you're doing. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on the section labeled Quotes. This is where Zoho Books stores all of your quotes or estimates, whether they're drafts, sent, accepted, or even expired. Clicking on Quotes will open a list of all the quotes you've created so far. Once you're on the quotes page, take a moment to locate the specific quote you want to convert. You can scroll through the list or use filters and the search bar if you have a lot of records. When you've found the right one, click directly on that quote. This will open up the detailed view where you can see the customer information, item lines, quantities, rates, taxes, and totals. Before converting, it's a good idea to quickly review the quote. Make sure the items, prices, and tax settings are correct, and confirm that the customer has indeed agreed to these terms. This helps you avoid having to edit or void an invoice later. Now, with the quote open, look for the Convert option. This is usually located near the top of the page, along the row of buttons for actions like editing, printing, or emailing. Click on Convert. Zoho Books will now ask what you'd like to convert this quote into. You'll be given the option to convert the quote as an invoice. Choose Convert as an Invoice. When you do this, Zoho Books automatically takes all the information from the quote and creates a new invoice draft for you. The customer details, items, quantities, and amounts are carried over, which saves you time and reduces errors from manual data entry. After conversion, you'll be taken to the invoice screen where you can double check everything one more time, set the invoice date and payment terms, and then save, send, or schedule the invoice according to your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully converted a quote into an invoice in Zoho Books.